ये देती है। ये कंपनी को ये इसमें बांटने के लिए पैसा कहाँ से आता? पैसा कहाँ से आता? पैसा आता है यहाँ से। ये जैसा आप $40 कंपनी को पे किए, वैसा वर्ल्ड में कई लोग अपग्रेड कराते आईडी ये पैसा निकालने के लिए। जिस दिन भी ये कंपनी में आईडी अपग्रेड होती, कंपनी जो है ना $20 आपके ऊपर वाले को डायरेक्ट देती, वो मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में बताऊंगा। और $20 कंपनी जो है ना ये पूरा कोरल के ऑटो पूल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती, कोरल के ऑटो पूल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती। ये कोरल का ऑटो पूल भी 8 इंस्टॉलमेंट में आएगा। जिस दिन कोरल एक्टिवेट होगी वहाँ से 6 महीने 6 महीने 6 महीने 6 महीने 4 साल का बिजनेस है, 1 करोड़ का। इसको विड्रॉ करने के लिए भी एक कंडीशन रखी कंपनी। वो कंडीशन है टोटल 6 अकाउंट्स, मतलब 4 ऑलरेडी आप बना चुके हैं और 2 अकाउंट बनाना है आपको, और $100 फिर से रिटर्न देना है कंपनी को, फिर से रिटर्न देना है कंपनी को अपग्रेडेशन के लिए। जैसा आप रिटर्न दोगे आपकी आईडी कोरल से हो जाएगी ओनिक्स, कोरल से हो जाएगी ओनिक्स। ओनिक्स में जिस दिन आप आएंगे वहाँ से 8 इनकम, फिर से 8 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स आएंगे आपको। वो 8 इंस्टॉलमेंट्स का नेट वैल्यू होगा 3 करोड़। 3 करोड़ कंपनी आपको यहाँ से देगी, 3 करोड़। ये कंपनी को पैसा कहाँ से आएगा ये बांटने के लिए? ये जो अमाउंट है इसमें $50 कंपनी, थोड़ी देर से मैं बताऊंगा ये $50 का क्या करेगी। और ये $50 कंपनी आपको पूरा ऑटो पूल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी, पूरा ऑटो पूल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगी। मतलब वर्ल्ड में जितने आईडीज में अपग्रेड होगा वो पूरा अपग्रेडेशन अमाउंट इसी में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, ओनिक्स के ऑटो पूल में। ओनिक्स ऑटो पूल के बाद आपको मिलेगा एमनाइट ऑटो पूल, एमनाइट के बाद मिलेगा क्वार्ट्ज, क्वार्ट्ज के बाद मिलेगा रूबी। ऐसा टोटल कर 7 ऑटो पूल्स आपको यहाँ पर मिलेंगे। हर ऑटो पूल की वैल्यू बढ़ती जाएगी। स्टार्ट हुई थी 32 लाख से, स्टार्ट हुई थी 32 लाख से, गई आपको 1 करोड़ पे। 1 करोड़ के बाद ओनिक्स आएगा, ओनिक्स जो है तो आपको रफली अराउंड 3 करोड़ देगा। उसके बाद क्वार्ट्स आएगा, ये भी आपको करोड्स में देगा। क्वार्ट्स के बाद आपको एमनाइट आएगा, यहाँ पर नहीं है, एमनाइट आएगा और रूबी आएगा। ये सब 7 ऑटो पूल्स आपके लिए आगे चल के हल्दू हल्दू आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। ये देखिए पर्ल, पर्ल, then you'll become coral, then you'll become onyx, then you'll become quartz, then you'll become ammonite, then you'll become topaz. After topaz the last one is ruby, ठीक है। आपको मैं छोटा एग्जांपल बताऊं, रूबी अपग्रेड करने के लिए आपको कितना पैसा चाहिए? रूबी अपग्रेड करने के लिए आपको $10,000 कंपनी को देना है। $10,000, $10,000 मतलब इंडियन करेंसी में होते हैं 7.5 लाख। 7.5 लाख आपको कंपनी को देना है, तो 7.5 लाख आप कंपनी से कमाए तो ही दे पाओगे, कमाए तो ही दो पाओगे। ऐसा रूबी में कई लोग अभी रूबी में आईडी कन्वर्ट करा चुके हैं। I'll share you the proofs of Ruby, I'll share you the proof of Topaz, I'll share you the proof of Ammonite. You just have a look in it, you satisfy yourself, then come down, we'll prepare an ID, we'll work on it, and we'll make our increase our team, and we'll be one of the good team, right? So in this fashion you can earn through auto pool. And regarding this $20 which I was telling you, I'll discuss later. So what happens is whenever you do upgrade with $40, this $20 will go directly to this auto pool, to this auto pool. And this $20 is nothing but your third income in working. I said you in working there are 3 incomes. The third income is performance income. That is nothing but below your ID if someone upgrades, below your ID if someone upgrades, 50% of that upgrade amount will be given to you. This is your third. For an example, when you prepare one ID, you get $30. Out of $30 you got $15, 50%. And then in the level 2, when someone upgrades his account, means Pearl to Coral, means he pays $40 to company, you get $20 for that. In the third level, if someone upgrades Coral ID to Onyx ID by paying $100, you get $50. For an example, in this level you have 16 members, in this second level you have 16 members. All the 16 members are getting upgraded to Coral. Suppose all the 16 members are getting upgraded to Coral by paying $40 to the company. In that 16 persons, $20 for each and every 16 person, will be given in auto pool and $20 will be given to you. That means 16 into 20. That will be around how much? 16 into 20. It will be around $320. $320 roughly in Indian currency. If we see, it will be around 2300. It will be around 24,000 rupees. It will be around 24,000 rupees. Suppose in your third level, this 16 became 64 here. I am giving the calculation of 4 by 4 matrix here. 4 into 4 into 4. It's a matrix of 4 by 4. It will not be 4 by 4. It can be 10 by 10. It can be 8 by 8. It's up to your efforts. Okay. I am explaining you with a matrix of 4 by 4. Here the 4 became 16. 16 became 64. Right. So at 64, if the people are going from Coral to Onyx, they pay $100 for upgradation. In that $50 will be given to you. That means 64 into half of the upgradation amount. That means 50. It will be around how much? $3,200. $3,200. From this you will be earning around 2.4 lakhs of income. So these working incomes are the most very good incomes. This auto pool income is also good income. Even through working in this organization also gets us a handsome income by giving a little efforts. Through reference you get around $15. From team income you get around $1.25 for each ID. If I see 4 by 4 matrix continue till 8 level, total you will get around 2.4 crores. In crores you will be earning. Okay, in performance I have shown you till only third level. If in the fourth level again 256 into upgradation for that ID is $500. 500 means 250 you will be getting. This will be around in again crores. In this way you can increase your team, you can do good performance, you can earn through non-working, you can earn through working. This is the best plan I have ever seen. And right now we are working in this. We have started working with this organization since just around 20 days back. We have taken our ID, and today we have a team of our 13 members. We have 13 members in our team. Within 20 days we have 13 members in our team. So it shows how the best the plan is. Within 20 days when 13 members can join our team, it means what? It means that this plan is very good plan. And if you want any proof regarding how the income is coming and how it is coming to your account, I'll share you some of the previous upline leaders wallet photos. Okay, you just go through it. You have satisfied with this plan. If you have any doubt, you can reach us. We'll definitely help you. We'll explain you. If during your work if you are not able to explain to anyone, that time also will help you. This video will almost reduce all your doubts. Mostly you'll be getting each and every plan, each and every step of this business. So through this you can earn a lot. And the main point here is what you are giving to this company. You're just giving 2,300. Remember it. You're just giving 2,300, but through this company you can earn in crores. You can earn in crores by paying a small amount of 2,300. You can earn through this company in crores. That is the best part of this company. And in the extreme case, if I talk, if something happens to the company, nothing will happen. If something happens to the company, the risk is only 2,300, not more than that. The risk is only 2,300, and that too by making creating two IDs. That risk will be zero. If you are not able to do two IDs also, as an investment, if you come here, you can earn in crores. In extreme case, you can get a loss of 2,300, not more than that. So thank you for watching this. Hope you'll be part of our team. Thank you.